Hi, hello, namaste, adab. So myself CMA Bhanu, I'm accounting faculty in Shikhara tutorials. So today I'm coming up with the great news regarding CMA inter regular batch for December 2026 attempt. So first of all, before going to discuss the batch details, I would like to congratulate to each and every person, those who have cleared the CMA foundation, which were declared in the 2 days. So this is the first step of your success in the CMA journey. Now you have to move forward to the CMA inter with a more confidence. So we are going to start a regular batch on the date of 18th January 2026. So please remember the date 18th January 2026. So next, I will discuss about the batch details, some more key points related to the Shikhara Institute. Here the faculties are experienced, expertised and qualified. So 100% syllabus will be covered, each and every point. We are not going to leave any concept. So 100% syllabus will be covered. For example, the concepts which are discussed in the CMA foundation are also discussed once again in the accounts point of view. And weekly examination will be conducted and valuation will be done. And next, when coming to the material point of view, we will include the CMA board book questions, CMA workbook and past papers and MQPs. And next, the motivation environment. And next, coming to the study hours, syllabus also will be there. After the completion of coaching, we are going to provide you the revision classes, study hours and examination. So next, coming to the fee details, if you want to join, you have to pay the 40,000 for either group 1 or group 2. For the both the groups, you have to pay the 70,000. But present there is offer is going on at the rate of 20%. Is a Pongal offer. You have to use the code Pongal20. So I will discuss at last again this discount. Here the classes, once again the very important point, 100% English. So there is no Telugu will be used here, 100% English will be used. So important point. Where is the location of this Shikhara tutorials? So you can come across in the SR Nagar opposite to the Canara Bank. You will recognize our campus in the GRR complex in the second floor. And next, coming to the faculty details, the group 1 law and ethics will be discussed by cmainterdt sir, having a 6+ years of experience. Financial accounting by CMA Bhanu Vemendra, myself having a 4+ years of experience. Direct taxes by cabhaskarmagham sir, having 10+ years of experience. And indirect taxes by Mithun Reddy sir once again. And costing by young and dynamic DQ Naveen sir, having a 6+ years of experience. And next, when coming to the group 2 OM and SM, once again young and dynamic person of CA Manendra Singh sir, having a 10+ years of experience. Corporate accounting by myself and audit by our Grover by Rohit Grover sir, having a 10+ years of experience. FM by DQ Naveen sir. BDA by once again by Manendra Singh sir. MA by CMA DQ Naveen sir. So these are the faculty details. If you want, you can check. If you want to check the demo classes, you can visit our YouTube channel of Shikhara tutorials. There you have to go to the live part. We can get to. Next one, the group 1 will be started on 18th January. Already have told you, will be completed by 30th April 2026. Thereafter, we are going to conduct the revision exams and grand test, and after the holidays again the group 2 will be started from 22nd June 2026. So and will be ended on 31st August 2026. So still 3 months will be in our hands. The 2 months is sufficient for the group 2 because already whatever the basics will be completed in the group 1. So 2 months is sufficient for completion of group 2. Don't worry. Still 3 months will be there in our hands, is sufficient for preparation of the both groups. In the 3 months, you are going to write the revision, you are going to get the revision classes, study hours plus revision exams and grand test. Okay now. Next, coming to the, the students, those who have purchased on the online, they are going to get the 2.5 views. How is that 2.5 means? 1 view for app live. Okay, now you can attend the live classes. 1 view for recorded classes, 0.5 for the revision. For the revision also, you can watch the full class. You have to keep 2x speed. Let's coming to the special offer. I have already told you there is an offer of on all the recorded live classes and the face-to-face of CMA inter and final. So what is the percentage of offer? 20%. You have to use the code Pongal20 capital letters. The offer is going to complete on 18th January. That means you have to avail this offer on or before 18th January 12 p.m. Next one. If you want to purchase the online classes, you have to visit our website www.shikharatutorials.in, or if you want to purchase the offline classes, you can contact to our number of 63099901213. Is there any doubts regarding to this batch? You can contact the same number. So please grab this opportunity as early as possible. So thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Once again, all the very best for your future. Thank you.